Not so many generations ago, boys and girls of all ages flocked to movie houses across the country to watch gallant heroes in white hats outwit sinister bankers or corrupt government officials. They shrieked as lovely damsels in distress dangled precariously on a branch high above a yawning chasm. They cheered when the good guy rescued the frightened female and applauded when the villain in the black hat was hauled off to the hoosegow. Only a handful of Hollywood movie companies in the post-Depression era produced such films, and among those, only one dominated the business – Republic Pictures. Cowboys, Creatures, and Classics – The Story of Republic Pictures, written by Howard Kazanjian and Chris Enns, tells the story of the ambitious film company that made a big impact on Hollywood and influenced some of today's most gifted filmmakers and industry leaders. Cowboys, Creatures, and Classics – The Story of Republic Pictures by Howard Kazanjian and Chris Enns is available everywhere.